Do you have a Better Homes and Gardens Spotlight with color lock and are a little confused about how to operate it? Well, I was too. I think I have it figured out, so let me share with you what I did anyway. Better Homes and Garden Spotlight with color lock. You can lock it on blue, red, or yellow. It's a landscape lighting. You can use the white or the colors up there. Remove the label before use. To reveal the solar panel. And it doesn't come with any instructions, so you just have to kind of figure it out yourself. I've already got one out there that I put out there to make sure I like this. It has a label that tells you it has a lithium battery. Has that information from the manufacturer. Got mine at Walmart. I purchased mine in June of 2020. I paid $25.54 for each one. I got mine from Walmart pickup. If you'll check in the text below and in the comments, I'll try to provide a link for this lot or one similar. I'm quite happy with mine. Do not mix old and new batteries. I'll just tell you what I figured out from using mine. There's a switch right here, and that cuts it on to the white light. And you can cut it to there to get your red, green, blue. And if you want to lock it on blue, you just slide it forward one more time. So I'll wait till it gets to blue. And that's how you do the color lock. So you can't see it, you can feel it. Push it all the way to the back. That cuts it off. Bump it one and it's on white. Bump it again and it goes through all the colors. You bump it one more time and it locks on the color that was there when you locked it. That's it. It has a little knob here that you can use to adjust it. It has a stake that goes into the ground. And you can somewhat adjust the solar panel on it. Turn it that way. And you can slide it around a little bit. Then lock it back. Then lock it back when you get it where you want it to be. That's pretty much it. I slid mine to white and it should come on when it gets dark. That's about how bright that one is there. And that's about how bright it is at the edge of the woods. And it doesn't go very far. I think I'll find a way to stick it up into a tree, get a little bit more light. If you have time before you go, watch another video. And please leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, share this video if appropriate. And thanks for watching.